The company is Photothermal Spectroscopy Corp. We're a small, fast-growing technology company in the scientific research and industrial products. I am Vice President of Marketing and Business Development. So I'm responsible for all the marketing related activities and sales, international sales.
And I am the email marketing specialist, and I also manage the events at the company. It's still early on. However, throughout the year, we're going to attend 100 events and small conferences where an application scientist can give a presentation to large trade shows. We support our sales and applications teams at these events and use Captello for easy capture of leads at events. Before we used Captello, everything was manual. So our sales team would go to these events and have to capture everything. We used an Excel sheet, which we would have to wait for them to send back to us. And I would have to manually edit these sheets and then upload them into Salesforce. This just took a lot of time. So with Captello, we were able to save on our time. Before, it would take us a couple of days because we had to wait for the sales team to first just send it to us. And then for me to edit the form, it would take like another day before I could upload it into Salesforce. But now, since everything goes directly from the sales team into Captello and Captello will automate it into Salesforce, it will take a day or two by the end of it to get those leads into the system.
Yeah, and I think the other thing is that the sales team with this new process knows that the leads are going automatically into the leads module of Salesforce, where before they weren't quite sure when those leads might be ready. So they're ready to execute on those leads as soon as the trade show is done.
I would say that there are two main improvements that we made with Captello. The first one is it's more consistent and we have more accurate lead capture. And the second one would be it was a lot easier to have follow-up by the sales team, which again, cut our time in half. And like Dean said, I think we've been able to get a lot more details about the leads that we are capturing because they use the form. And with the voice capture in Captello, it's been super helpful because the sales team can go back and see if there were any details that they missed in the form that they filled out. We have more confidence in our lead capture. We also saved a lot of time. We have better data for our lead quality assessment, and also the automation that Captello provides makes it a lot easier for lead capture into Salesforce. Onboarding was actually super easy. Matt, who was our contact at Captello, was super patient with us, and he answered all of our questions and did most of the setup. We're usually a small team, so we don't have that much time to waste trying to work out how to set up a system, but he was super great in the implementation process. Actually one of our main concerns going into buying Captello, but throughout the process, he was super helpful. He also helped set up our sales team as well. And it was a super easy process to set up.
Just to add to that, I think it was the setup was a concern when we looked at not just Captello, but other companies as well. And one of the aspects that we decided for Captello was because of the feedback that we had got about the setup and how easy it was, straightforward, etc., and how much support we gained.